Thanks for tuning in to another video. As always, I appreciate your time. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get hundreds of other people to send you free traffic, free clicks, free leads, get commissions, and make sales for free, or you can sign up for this one-time $7 fee admission. Now, without further ado, this website is called cashblurbs.com. Sorry about that, I'm a little thirsty. But there's easy, instant, free, viral traffic. Basically, it's share for share. So what you're going to do, you're going to come on here, you're going to upload what you want to promote. This will work predominantly well for you if you have a sales funnel. If you don't know what a sales funnel is, stay tuned. I'll make a video about that soon. But if you have a sales funnel, if you have a blog, or if you're looking to promote e-commerce, possibly affiliate marketing links, this is the place for you to do it. Like I said, it is free, but they also have $7 option, which is a one-time fee, but we'll get into that. So let's watch the video here to give you a brief rundown about
Hey, it's Greg Hughes here.
What you're getting into.
On behalf of CashBlurbs.com founder Brian Winters, to fill you in on the CashBlurbs online traffic revolution. If you haven't heard the news or seen CashBlurbs.com in action yet, pause this video at any point, click the home link at the top of this page to open a new window and check it out. But don't be fooled. Our revolutionary new traffic system is much more than meets the eye. So whatever you do, don't miss this short video to discover the amazing traffic secret that's sweeping across the web. I know our headline above makes an extraordinary claim that perhaps everybody watching this video hopes is true. I mean, who wouldn't want hundreds of people sending them free traffic and clicks?
Alright, that's enough of that. So let's continue on. As you can see, you can get free featured ads. They recently launched and built in featured Cash Blurs free tool, which can very easily triple the traffic to your offer, especially when you become an unlimited member, which is the $7 option I mentioned before. Upon the release, first ran 24-hour case study, and here is a testimonial of one of the results. As you can see, this is from 2012, so this is like 7 years out of date. But if we base it off of this, we can see that he got 61 clicks, 1 sale. Engagement per click is 35 cents with a 1.64 conversion rate, which is actually typical for the average Shopify store. So let's continue on. See, you got a few testimonials. As we continue, you can get free banner ads. If you don't know what a banner ad is, it's like when you go to certain websites and down on the side or towards the bottom, they have like pop-ups or different crazy things, like you might have seen something about meet Asian girl online, or click here for a wild celeb story, something like that. But that's basically what a free banner ad is. But I'm sure that you can make yours more detailed and specific to your native advertising for the platform that you're looking to go about it for. And it says if somebody buys one of your offers through the Cash Blurb ads, they will allow you to post a 180x150 size banner on their high traffic home page. Okay, they easily charge $200 for this, but instead they're giving away a highly converted banner advertised spots for your benefit for free. Let's continue on. Let's see. Says there are few, if any, other traffic source online that can begin seeing traffic as quickly and as easily as CashBlurbs.com can. If you can handle spending a few minutes posting a few ads throughout the day, you will get traffic, plain and simple. You don't need a list, you don't need a website, you don't need experience, you don't need hosting. Just grab a hot affiliate product or splash page, aka an opt-in page, aka a lead generation page, or lead magnet page, and use Cash Blurbs to start sending traffic to it. Now, there's no catch here. What you see is what you get, and what you see is also what you'll lose if you don't jump on this immediately. So they got a good scarcity tactic that they're going for. Once again, this is the owner who we watched in the beginning, Brian Winters. He says, do me a favor right after joining, post an ad as quickly as you possibly can, because he wants you to see for yourself just how well this works. Don't put it off until tomorrow and then forget about it altogether, and you'll be missing out big time. So here's where you'll come. You'll enter your email, you enter your password, you will sign up here. Oh, you can join the free membership, or you can get the $7 instant free traffic package that I was mentioning earlier. But this is just a brief rundown. So here's what you get with the free membership. You can post one Cash Blurb post every day to earn 100% free traffic. Now it doesn't say how much you can expect to get, but I'm assuming that you'll give roughly 50 through 100 some people if this website is estimating the traffic that they say that they're getting on a daily basis. You should get somewhere between that number. But here's a $7 offer, of which I was mentioning before. You get for a full 15 days, post up to 72 ads, so you get 72 posts that you can post per day for a one-time fee of just $7. Get them shared on Facebook and Twitter pages. Money back guarantee. And it says after 15 days, you'll just pay $20 per month for continued unlimited membership, unless you should decide to cancel. But this is just something that I came across. I feel it could be very beneficial to you. This is not something that I'm promoting at the moment. I was actually looking at this for something that I was looking to test through getting one of my virtual assistants. But as always, I like to make these videos to help you out. What I do, I'm pretty much showing you over the shoulder, so it's something that you could use in your strategy, implement this into your current journey of wherever you are. But let's go on. Leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this. Is this something you're looking to try? If you're doing affiliate marketing, will you use this to help promote your affiliate links? Are you looking for other types of promotion to help get traffic to your affiliate offer? If you're doing e-commerce, is this something that you're going to use to get more traffic towards Facebook, Twitter, then see Instagram? I'm pretty sure they got Instagram. Let me know all this down below in the comments. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like. It definitely helps support the channel. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that big red subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you're also notified when I release new videos. As always, this has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. Thank you for watching this. Have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Keep learning, keep earning, get the bag.